All right, so this is our tour of our one-bedroom ocean view suite with the butler at the Viceroy in Cabo San Lucas. We are in room 3303, and this is going to be a room tour for anybody thinking about getting into this space to visit.
All right. So start out with, you have the coffee bar. So coffee is free, waters are free. They give you about 6 waters every day when they do regular housekeeping. They have the Nespresso pods in there, which they refill when they do turn down service. Obviously all the drinks. This is a tequila bottle we bought when we were in town. Definitely check out our video about that. But champagne came complimentary. They also left chocolate covered strawberries. So that's great. The glassware they replenish every day if you use it. And then all of this from the mini bar costs extra, but you do have a QR code there so that way you can see how much it is before you have to book it. Just like with every other hotel, they have the safe, which is super easy to use and reprogram, and they have a ton of closet space, which is nice because they also have 2 different hanging areas. They only have 2 drawers, which is the only downside I would say, but they're pretty big and deep. Got shoe racks, and this part has been really helpful because it's kind of just a catch-all for everything that we might need. So you have a lot of bar area space, seating, there's the sink, a bathroom back here, and back here is also where your refrigerator is. The fridge is full, so there's not going to be much room for you to put things on. We have been stacking our water bottles on top of the other things that they have in here. So, yeah, the living room space, all of the TVs, so there's 2 TVs in the room. They have cast to TV, so you can cast from your phone onto the TV, or they have some TV channels which are in English. So you've been watching sports channels from there. You can order room service, check out the spa menu, all of that there.
Yeah, we've been doing YouTube. They have Spotify, a couple of other options as well if you want to like connect to the TV to play your own music or watch your shows on YouTube if you have that as well for like YouTube TV and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool.
So to control the lights, you have different options. There's meters. You can change the colors in the room, specific for the bathroom and more relaxed. So obviously just make it so not all the lights are up. The amenities with the bathroom, which I thought were pretty good. You have the makeup towels, which if you're a woman, you know how great these are. So you're not getting the white towels dirty. You also get shower caps, sewing kit, and here they end up giving you makeup wipe removers and ear swabs, along with the regular hand wash and body lotion, which the body lotion is actually pretty good, but a little bit goes a long way. I like this area also because it was just, again, a catch-all that you can just throw things in, where not all bathrooms have that. Every room is going to have 2 different robes. We've been using ours, which is why it's over here. Normally they're going to be in the closet area. And then you have your bathroom here. Only downside is it like closes really hard. It's a really loud noise. So if you hang a towel here, it'll soften that flow. And then the bathroom area, I really like. It has 2 rainfall shower heads and then a regular handheld shower that you can control. The water takes a little bit to get warm, but once it does, it's really hot and the water pressure is great. I'm gonna try to talk now. It comes out really hard, and it stays warm for as long as you need it to. It comes with shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel, which the shampoo is pretty good. The conditioner, if you're a curly hair girl, is not going to work for you, so make sure to bring your own because my hair dried out a lot. They also have a place underneath the sink to put your towels, which is nice because not all places have that, and so your towels will just end up being thrown on the ground, and storage space for your luggage. Over here, the weird thing is the plug-in or the outlet is way behind here, so you have to pull out this in order to get to it, but it works just fine. You can also control your lights from here. And there are 2 curtains, which we'll show you guys in a little bit. Each side controls different sets of which curtains go up and down. But overall, the bed is super comfortable. We slept great. It's firm, but also soft at the same time.
And on the other side, there's actually 2 plug-ins. So for the issue on the other side, you actually have 2 plug-ins for your items and everything here. Phone, night lights, everything like that. So comfortable bed as well. Somewhat firm, not too firm, but it's good.
And to get outside, push this. It's a little hard at first, but once you get it going, it's fine. The curtains block it so people outside can't see in, but you can see out. So like if we were outside, they cannot see anything that's going on in here, even though we can see everything that's out there. You have your seating area. These little cushions are pretty firm, so they stay about where they are, but they're comfortable to sit on, so we've hung out here a little bit. Same thing goes for the beds that are on that side. The tub is huge, but it definitely takes like 45 minutes just to fill up, so make sure to be prepared for that.
A huge outdoor area. It's got jets in it, I believe. With your butler, they'll fill it up for you if you need them to. So I think tonight they're doing that for us. So come back. Stay tuned. We're going to show that later on tonight when we get back. And you can see the whole ambiance of the resort. But this is mostly the daytime vibe of the spot. You got a huge outdoor seating area. You can lounge here, go to the pool, come right back up. You don't really have to be out too much.
And make sure to check out our other video because it's going to show a walkthrough of the entire hotel.
Yeah, do a walkthrough, restaurants, everything as well. Sure, this is the 1-bedroom ocean view suite. You do have different categories, so you definitely want to get one with the ocean view. And you can ask for specific room types. So when you go on their website, if there is a room type you want, when you speak to the concierge, send them a picture of it. They'll do what they can to accommodate. And they definitely did that for us to make sure, because there are different types of this suite. So make sure you're specific about the type that you want.
Except the caveat with that is online, it's going to show they have a microwave. They do not. So.
All right. But yeah, this is the part 1 of the room tour. We're going to come back and just check in with us, and we're going to show you what it looks like at night. All right, so we are back at night. The setup for the room. It does come with additional lights that you can change the colors if you want. You also go outside. You see them changing now. Different colors. It's pretty cool. But then it works with the aesthetic of the hotel because, as you can see, every other building has lights on it. So when everyone has their lights on, it makes the environment or the atmosphere of the hotel like go to a whole nother level. So definitely one of a kind. So, but yeah, that's the room tour. And more to come for the Viceroy. If you're interested, let us know if you have any questions. We can answer anything you guys might need to know. Yeah, just let us know. Yep.